Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Thotakura Fry. Thotakura, also known as amaranth leaves, is a wonderfully nutritious green leafy vegetable. To begin, you'll need 1 large bunch of fresh Thotakura, 1 medium onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and 2 tablespoons of oil. These simple ingredients will help us create a delicious and healthy dish. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for cooking. First, it's crucial to wash the Thotakura leaves thoroughly under running water to ensure all dirt and sand are removed. Once clean, finely chop these vibrant green leaves and set them aside. Next, prepare your aromatics by finely chopping the medium onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, and 2 cloves of garlic. This careful preparation is key to a flavorful fry. With our ingredients prepped, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal, letting them splutter and turn a lovely golden brown. Then, add your finely chopped onion, green chilies, and garlic, sautéing them until the onion becomes beautifully translucent. Finally, add the chopped Thotakura leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, cooking until the leaves wilt and their water evaporates. To finish our delightful Thotakura fry, season it with salt to taste once the leaves have cooked down and the water has evaporated. Give it a good stir and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the fry to become perfectly dry and well combined. This healthy and flavorful Thotakura fry is best served hot alongside steamed rice or warm roti. Enjoy your homemade, nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.